Welcome to Trinity.
Welcome to Trinity.
Trinity was formed part of the Aberfan and Merthyr Youth and Community Project in 2004. We open at 7:30 till 6 o'clock and children vary their days and sessions. It's busy, we don't get 2 days the same.
I've been coming to Trinity for 7.5 years.
When I first came here, I was 1. They are really kind and they are helpful.
The staff at Trinity are really good. They're really well trained and really pleasant. Gwyn, when he's here, he's always smiling, laughing. It's really brought him out of his shell, which is what we wanted him to do when he comes here.
We work with the parents and we sort of look at the individual child and the family. Each child will have an individual plan to provide the best possible start for the children that we can. We meet with parents and we explain what we are going to be doing with the children and possibly some activities that they can be helping with at home. Activities that will support their development.
When Gwyn first came here, he wasn't speaking. He had no language at all, and we were questioning a development delay. But now he's been coming here for a period of time. His development has now actually overshot his age range, and I'm certain it's just from attending Trinity.
I like to think it's sort of learning for life. We want to help them be school ready, so we would take the children in. It's building on their social skills, supporting, giving them the confidence.
With other things as well, like skills like brushing the teeth and eating, he's more self-confident now with eating, using cutlery and things like that as well.
We support the family. A lot of our services isn't just about childcare, it is working out and about in the community. It means that our families can access services within their own community with their friends.